Keller Williams agents. Are you looking to leverage your transaction management so you can get back to the dollar producing activities of your business? Well, what we do is provide a high-level transaction management service that you can trust to handle your contract to close activities. We're really excited to be a preferred vendor of the Keller Williams Exton, Devon, Wayne, and Westchester offices. So here's a look behind the scenes so you can see what our clients get when they use our services. We use a project management tool called Smartsheet. And each agent will have their own workspace in our Smartsheet, which will have their own whiteboard, will fill out an agent preferences and information document, and then they'll have a buyer or seller customized checklist for each side of the transaction. Here is an example of a sample whiteboard. Here's the sample agent preferences and information for the communications, and we just like to get to know you and your preferences. And here is a sample of a buyer closing checklist. What we do is we have a master that we fill out and customize with your personal preferences, and then we use this master to create the templates for each of your transactions. Our transaction manager will fill out the information for each deal with the important dates here, and then the project management checklist below will be our tasks that we do to process your transaction. Here is a sample of what it will look like once we fill in the dates from the agreement of sale. The project management dates below will fill in, and our transaction manager will check the tasks off as they're completed. This is the master checklist for the transaction manager, where all of her tasks will be populated onto one sheet. You'll notice that our checklists have send S2 email, send B1 email, and so on, because we use the email templates that were given to us by the Dickerman team for the communications with your clients and with everyone involved in the transaction. Here's a directory of the buyer side templates that we use, and here's the directory of the seller side templates that we use. We use these as a general template, but we do customize for each conversation. For pricing, you can go to the Service and Pricing tab here for our current pricing. The next step would be, if you're interested in our services, is to click on the Inquire button and schedule a time to speak with me. You can ask any questions and I can tell you more about the services. And after that, we can, if you're interested in using us, we'll schedule a time for you to have a video conference with the transaction manager, who will then customize all of your the whiteboard and all of the documents that you saw in the video. Once we have you all set up, as soon as you have a transaction, you just give your transaction manager a call or send a text and you'll be ready to go. Thanks so much for inquiring, and we hope to work with you soon.